Kenzie back. Well, Kenzie's back. And what? We're in Great Wolf Lodge. This is our hotel room. This is my bed, which is Isabel. My mom's bed. They have a flat screen TV. Oh, no! And you know, oopsie. Oops. Everything here and there, and it's a pretty thing. I think we got room something on the first floor. Sliding glass room. Of course, some more over there. Chairs and some. And I want to go on that. Looks amazing. Oh my god. That's my mommy.
Hi. Hi. I love you.
This is going on YouTube. I love you too, mommy.
Oh, I love you. Tell Daddy to get ready. I'm anxious.
Get ready, Daddy. 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 He's a computer freak. He's on his phone. It's sad. Get ready. Go. We're waiting on you. And you said you'd be waiting on me. Boom. Yeah, guys. Well, we're going to take off soon. Hopefully, I'll show you it, but I can't bring my phone in the water, of course. You know, that'd be a bad thing. So, yeah. Let's see what Daddy's going to wear.
Kenzie?
Yeah.
You're not allowed to open this water.
Why?
Because I really don't want to pay $2.50 plus tax for a little bottle of water, okay?
Okay. Bad water. What if I just take the water without them knowing?
It will be billed to my card.
Oh. What if I put the bottle back? But I don't. What did I drink?
It will be cracked. The seal will be open.
Oh. Darn it! I'll just buy a new bottle of water. I could probably.
Leave your work pass in here.
Yeah. Hey guys, look at my wolf pass. You can take a bit to read that because I'm not here. I'll just read it. Wolf pass. This is the front.
Sure, it's cold in here.
Well, yeah. Okay. 1 magic quest game. 1 compass quest game. Includes compass. Choice of classic or color wands. Standard, hopper, or magic belt. Magi belt. 1 animal at the Great Wolf Lodge Creation Station. Outfit not included. 1 round of Howl and Owl mini golf. 1 game at 4D World. 1 admission to Great Forest Challenge. 1 12 Oz milk and ice candy cup. Great Wolf Lodge banded goggles. 1 small glitz glitter tattoo. 1 single scoop in ice cream from Bear Paw Sweets and Eats. 1 sports bottle and soft drink from Spirit Island Snack Shop. So how much did this all cost, Mom?
This room and everything, I think it was like probably $400 for everything.
Even the wolf pass?
Yes.
Wow. Hi, woman. Wonder what Daddy's gonna. Oh my gosh, it's gonna kill us. Sorry. I don't like vents. Bad. Do never smoke. Never. Ooh, what's this? Hey guys, do you know what this is? Do you know what this is, Mom?
Yeah, it's for like a book to be opened on.
Oh.
What did I do with my wristband?
It's
This
on.
one?
Look at me. Look at the camera. Hello. Say hello.
Hello, hello.
Oh, that's how.
I see how you do it now. You have to lock it in.
You have to. Yeah, I see. That's why it falling off.
Yeah.
Okay, well, guys, I'm gonna get going.
No, you're not.
No, I mean to the camera. I'm saying it to the YouTube. Well, guys, I'll show you some other things later. Yeah. Love you all. Bye-bye.